Today you will learn how you can add a Namecheap website to Cloudflare. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Namecheap, and for example, I will be adding this website right here. So I will copy this, head over to Cloudflare, and then once we head over to Cloudflare, you can enter this into this box, or you can go to the top right corner, click on Add, and then select Connect Domain. Once we do this, you will then need to paste that into this box right here, and then simply click on Quick Scan for DNS records. Now, once we do this, you will now need to select a plan. You can choose the free plan if you want to do that, or any of the paid plans right here. So I will select the free plan. From here, you'll be able to click and then delete any of the records that we don't need, and you will then be able to add your records later on, whichever you need to add. So click on continue to activation. And then from here, what we now need to do is we now need to add the Cloudflare name servers to our Namecheap account. So what we now need to do is we need to copy the first name server. So click to copy. You then want to head over to Namecheap, go to your custom domain, select manage. And from here, you now need to go to name servers, click on the drop down menu, select custom DNS. And here is where we can now add our name servers. So I will paste the first one into this box, head back over to Cloudflare, copy the second name server, go back to Namecheap, and then you want to paste the second name server right here. Once we do this, we will then be able to click on the tick icon to save our changes. And then this is then going to add the Cloudflare name servers to our Namecheap. So the only thing left to do now is head back over to Cloudflare, and then you want to go down and then select continue. From here, you can go down, select check name servers now. And as you can see, Cloudflare is now checking the name servers for howtoonline.org. Please wait a few hours for an update. So this will take a few hours to activate. And then once it has been a few hours, if you go back over to Namecheap and Cloudflare and just refresh, that will mean that you have added your Namecheap website to Cloudflare.